Replit has launched its AI agent for iOS and Android, revolutionizing app development by making it more accessible than ever. This powerful tool lets users create, deploy, and host software projects directly from their smartphones. No laptop needed. Just describe your app idea in natural language, and the AI takes care of the coding and deployment in real time. The best part? Replit Agent is available to everyone with a free tier, allowing you to start building apps without any upfront costs. Inspired by this innovation, today we're building our own RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, AI agent with a single prompt approach. Our goal is to create an intuitive system where users can upload a file and instantly start a Q&A session, much like the Google Notebook LM experience. This AI agent will process the uploaded file, retrieve relevant information, and generate accurate responses, offering a seamless knowledge exploration tool. Let's dive in and bring this interactive, smart assistant to life. To get started, simply Google Replit Agent to visit the official site or install the Replit mobile app if you prefer using your phone. Once you're set up, just enter a simple prompt. Create a RAG agent that answers from a given PDF. The AI will handle the rest, setting up an agent that can process your PDF and answer questions based on its content. As you can see, the Replit agent has started building our app. Next, it will confirm our app requirements, presenting a list of suggested features. You can review these, select the ones you need, and then approve the setup. The AI will handle the rest, tailoring the app to your specifications. As you can see, the Replit agent has started writing Python code to build our RAG application. It's fascinating to watch. It's like an AI agent building another AI agent. This showcases the power of automation, where the agent not only understands our requirements but also handles the coding process seamlessly. Interestingly, the Replit agent is not just writing the Python code but also identifying and fixing errors in real time. It's like having an intelligent code developer that never misses a beat. What a time to be alive, where AI can build, debug, and optimize applications with such efficiency. The Replit agent also prompted for an OpenAI API key since it uses GPT-4 as the default model. After updating the key, it seamlessly continued the development process. It's impressive how effortlessly the agent integrates with powerful AI models, making the entire workflow smooth and efficient. Now it's time to put our app to the test. I'll upload the Quen2 VL research paper and start by asking a couple of questions about it. This will help us see how well the RAG agent retrieves and generates accurate responses based on the document. Let's see how it performs. I'll start by asking, can you explain this model? This will test how effectively the RAG agent understands and summarizes the key concepts from the Quen2 VL research paper. Let's see how well it breaks down the model's architecture and functionality. As you can see, the RAG agent has successfully summarized the Quen2 VL research paper. It efficiently extracted key details, providing a clear and concise explanation of the model. This showcases the power of combining retrieval with AI-driven generation to deliver accurate, context-aware insights from complex documents. Let's see how the code and project structure is. The core of the application is managed through app.py, likely serving as the entry point with Streamlit for the web interface. The utils folder houses key helper scripts, OpenAI helper.py for OpenAI API interactions, PDF processor.py for extracting and processing PDF content, and vectorstore.py for managing vectorized data, crucial for efficient information retrieval. Configuration and dependency management are handled via files like .replit, pyproject.toml, and uv.lock. Additionally, .git manages version control, while .streamlit configures app-specific settings. This modular structure ensures the project is organized, scalable, and easy to maintain. As you can see, this project perfectly showcases the power of AI, an AI agent generating another AI agent. It's fascinating how seamlessly the Replit agent has structured the code, organized utilities for processing data, and integrated advanced models like GPT-4. This not only speeds up development, but also highlights how AI can handle complex tasks like building, debugging, and optimizing applications with minimal human intervention. Truly, we're witnessing the next level of automation and intelligence in software development.